Hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. Today in this video we are going to talk about the top 100 most important topics for CSIR-NET Physical Sciences Exam for the upcoming CSIR-NET 2024 December exam, as well as it will also be helpful for GATE 2025 exams. So let me just go give you quickly the top 100 most important topics. So I have arranged it subject wise. The first unit wise, we can say the first unit is mathematical methods of physics, in short MMP. So in mathematical methods of physics, you can see there are total 18 top most important topics. It starts with dimension analysis, is very important. One of the questions you can expect from dimension analysis, and sometimes questions come which are not exclusively mentioned that use dimension analysis, but if you use dimension analysis, then the problem solving becomes very easy and you can solve it in very less time. Gradient, level, surface, unit, normal. In this way, if you see lecture 3, lecture 4, you can pause and read all the topics. All the most important topics have been taken and compiled together. So all of these topics you should cover if you want to cover the CSIR-NET exam in less time. If you have less time, let's say 1 or 2 months, then you just focus on these top 100 topics, then you are good to go. And you can see it approximately covers 70 to 75% of the whole syllabus. So the more you can cover from these topics, the more probable that you will get a question from it. Okay, this is unit 2. It starts with stability analysis, phase space dynamics, central force motion, virial theorem, rigid body dynamics, moment of inertia, angular momentum, inertia tensor, Lagrangian, Hamiltonian, 2 lectures, canonical transformation, Poisson brackets, periodic motion, small oscillation, normal modes, and STR. So 19 to 30. So up to lecture number 30, we have unit 2, classical mechanics. In unit 3, we have electromagnetic theory. In electromagnetic theory, as you can see, electric field, potential, electric flux, Gauss law, multipole expansion, polarization, electrostatic boundary conditions, Biot-Savart law, Ampere's law, magnetic field determination, electromagnetic induction, Maxwell's equation, EM waves and its propagation in conductor, Coulomb gauge, Lorentz gauge transformation, interference, diffraction, polarization, then radiation from moving charge and dipole waveguides. Unit 4, quantum mechanics. It starts with uncertainty principle, postulates of quantum mechanics, state potential, particle in an infinite potential well, particle in a finite potential well, harmonic oscillator, angular momentum, hydrogen atom, then perturbation theory, time independent, time dependent, degenerate, non degenerate, variational method, WQB approximation, scattering and Born approximation. Unit 5, Maxwell-Boolean velocity distribution law, first and second law of thermodynamics, heat engine, Carnot's theorem, entropy, Maxwell's equation, TDS and energy equations, canonical ensembles, classical and quantum statistics, phase transitions, Ising model, Bose-Einstein condensation, black body radiation, a Maxwell-Boltzmann velocity distribution. Okay, so up to this has been repeated. Ignore this. From 61 to 70, then from 71, semiconductor physics. It's unit 6, electronics and experimental methods as well. BJT, field effect transistors, operational amplifiers and their application, Boolean algebra, Carnot map, A by D, D by converters, error propagation, error analysis, least square fittings, semiconductor physics, bipolar junction transistor. Okay, that has been repeated again. How, I don't know why it has been repeated, but 71 to 77, it is electronics. Then we have unit 7, atomic and molecular physics, Bohr atomic theory, vector atom model, Stern-Gerlach experiment, LSJJ coupling, term symbols, hyperfine structure, Zeeman effect. So it will include normal Zeeman effect, anomalous Zeeman effect, and Passenbach effect. Molecular physics, rotational spectroscopy, vibrational spectroscopy, and Raman effect, Einstein-Yee coefficient, and lasers. In unit 8, condensed matter physics, we have elements of crystallography, diffraction and structure factor, bonding of solids, that is vibration, specific heat, conductivity, mobility, effective mass, superconductivity. And unit 9, nuclear and particle physics, basic nuclear properties, liquid drop model, semi-empirical mass formula, cell model, Nording's rule, collective model, radioactivity, alpha and beta decay, nuclear fission and fusion, particle physics. So if you want to get all of these 100 topics, you can join this special course which we have launched in Physics Hub. This is a 3-month long course, means the day you join, the course will remain valid for the next 3 months. Okay, this will be top 100 most important topics. Let me tell you, we will get video lectures, PDF class notes, short notes, topic wise assignments, and 24/7 doubts clear via WhatsApp. So you can ask me anytime on this WhatsApp number and we'll get your answers. So register now. All the links are given in the description. You can contact me on this number to get further clarity or to resolve any query. So let me talk about this course more. In this course, you will get a detailed problem-oriented sessions on the top 100 most important and repetitive topics. Don't think that top 100 most important topics mean there will be only 100 videos. There, look, a particular topics like perturbation theory, let's say time independent perturbation theory. In one lecture, it is difficult to cover. Okay, let's say the case example of STR, special theory of relativity. In STR, this is a single topic we have kept, but for this we have uploaded 3 lectures of 2 hours each. So 6 hours of lecture you will get in STR topic. So in this way, although top 100 most important topic, but the number of videos may be more than 200. Okay, these 100 topics will cover approximately 70 to 75% of the entire syllabus, which is sufficient to score 120 plus marks. If you just cover this 100 most important topics, you will be able to score more than 120 marks if you do it efficiently. Each topic will be discussed thoroughly, covering essential concepts, formulas, derivations, previous year questions, new problems, all aligned strictly with the CSIR-NET Physical Science syllabus. We have not done anything extra. It is strictly based on the CSIR-NET Physical Science syllabus. Now, for you guys, a special offer has been floated. You can use this coupon code of top 100 to get it at a very lowest price, 13999 only for 3 months validity course. This same course is available in 6-month format as well. So if you want to get it for 6 months, the price will be a little bit higher, but that is also very affordable price. You can say 1399 for 3 months, and if you want to go for 6 months, it will be around 2199. So you can see this is a very affordable price, provided you apply this coupon code top 100. This coupon code will remain valid for a few days, and after that you will get it at a regular price. The links are given in the description. You can check the description and you can install our physical application from Play Store to access this course, and you can access this course from both Play Store, from both application as well as website. In the website you will log in and you can watch the videos on laptop or desktop, or you can also watch it on your mobile application, Physics Hub mobile application. So you can visit our website www.physicshub.in, or you can install our Physics Hub application from Play Store. All the links are given in the description. If you have any query regarding this course or anything else, you can comment down, or you can also directly contact. Prefer to send WhatsApp message on this number 7001439942. This is all for this video, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you find this video useful, and go check out and register for yourself for this course if you are targeting for the upcoming CSIR-NET exams. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.